What we doing?
Going to see Black Panther.
She was not this hype too early ago, and she called me fake before this camera rolled. Yeah.
Show them you're all black. Minus your Timbs. Put your drawers away.
The drawers, you got the tee. You do that. Keeping it black.
Got my sweater.
There we go.
Jeans, boots.
There you go.
Oh, and a black watch made out of ebony wood.
Oh, you are doing too much.
Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm finally back with a new video for you guys. So sorry I missed last week, but if you saw my previous vlogs, and you should be watching my vlogs, then you'll know that I was sick. Alex got sick first with something light. I caught it 10 times worse. So I was down for the count for a few days, but now I'm back. And I'm happy to be in front of this camera again for you guys, talking about my favorite, like all-time favorite deep conditioner products. I feel like this is probably one of those videos that people don't realize they want it until they got it, because deep conditioners are very expensive and you don't really want to spend a bunch of money on something that, you know, it doesn't work for your hair, you don't like it, it didn't really do anything for your hair. It felt like it was a waste, because I know I have tried deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, regular conditioners, where it just felt like it just washed right out of my head and didn't do a thing. So I'm here today to tell you guys what my favorite deep conditioners are, so that you can go ahead and just buy the products if you want with no worry at all. At least, you know, very little worry, because you know everything doesn't work for everyone's hair. We all know that. Yes. But anyways, I hope that these work for you, and yeah, let's get started. So the first product that I want to talk about, I'm a little bit blown because I don't have the empty jar. I thought I saved it, but I guess I threw it away at some point. But anyways, the product I'm going to mention is Mielle Organics Babassu Oil and Mint, Babassu Oil and Mint Deep Conditioner. It's one of my favorite, like, I'm probably gonna say favorite too many times in this video, but it is. It's like the best deep conditioner I think I've probably ever tried on my hair, or at least one of the best. What I really like about it is it detangles my hair immediately. Like, it detangles it, it makes it feel plump and juicy and moisturized and just like so soft, like buttery soft. I love when deep conditioners do that to my hair, because like I said, they're expensive, and you know, you want to feel the money that you spent in your hair. So I really love that deep conditioner. The only issue that I have with it is it retails for about $14 and they only give you 8 ounces. I really hope that in the future they up that to at least 12 ounces. I know 16 is probably asking a lot, but you know, can we get a little bit more, maybe 12? You know, 12 would be good, because I have a lot of hair, and 8 ounces, you know, I have to really ration the portions of like globs that I put in my hair, and I really don't want to have to really think too much about that when I'm putting in deep conditioner. I just wanted to coat my hair as much as I needed to and move on, and not worry about, you know, dang, it's almost gone already. I get it, it's a high quality product though, because I can tell just by how my hair turns out. But 12 ounces, $13.99, you know, that works for me. 8 ounces for $13.99, I don't think so. On to the next one. Now the next product I'm gonna mention, I don't have the product jar for that either. But it's okay, it's okay. This video is gonna look great, it's gonna turn out great. It's gonna be TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. I love this deep conditioner as well, especially for when I'm about to straighten my hair, because the thing about this deep conditioner is it has honey and olive oil in it, like real honey and olive oil in it. And the thing that I like about honey and olive oil for when I'm about to straighten my hair is it really helps tame the frizz from the start, like while my hair is still wet. I used to always do this honey and oil DIY deep conditioner before I would straighten my hair, and somewhere along the line I just got tired of doing it. It was just enough already with all the work with my hair, because I'm already gonna have to blow dry and straighten, and it's a whole thing. So I kind of did away with that a long time ago. The TGIN is so much better, because obviously I can just go buy it, it's ready to go, and I don't have to boil the oil and honey together. It's much better, it's much more convenient. So anyways, I always like to use that before I straighten my hair, and it just It makes my hair really soft, detangle, moisturize, all of the above. And on top of that, it helps to tame the frizzies and the puffiness that you sometimes get when you're trying to straighten your hair. It makes all that just become a non-issue. Now that product retails for about $15, but you get 12 ounces. And I get a lot of uses out of that deep conditioner, especially since I don't use it unless I'm straightening my hair. So yeah, 12 ounces, $15. I can kind of live with that, you know. It costs a lot, and it is much cheaper to just get honey and olive oil and do your own thing at home, but the convenience obviously is there, and it's a quality product, so I'm more than happy to spend that amount, especially because I know it's gonna last me quite a long time since I only use it when I straighten my hair. Now the next product that I'm gonna mention is something that I actually stumbled into. The owner of this product contacted me. She is a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Michelle, and she was like, hey, I really like your videos. Do you mind reviewing my product for me? So of course I took a look into her website and her products, and I absolutely love what I saw. I love the product even more, and what I'm talking about is the Miche Lush Deep Conditioner with raw honey and babassu oil. So it's kind of like combining the Mielle Organics and the TGIN together a little bit. And this product is so, oh my gosh, this product smells so good. Number one, it smells like, it smells like Bubblicious bubble gum. I lie to you not. It smells like the tropical punch or the strawberry, one of those red Bubblicious bubble gums. It smells just like that. And when I put it in my hair, it really moisturizes my hair. It's protein free. It's strictly a moisturizing deep conditioner, and that's exactly what it does for my hair. It's nice and thick. It goes on smoothly, and I feel like my hair is just absorbing all the goodness and juiciness of it, and it detangles my hair. My hair feels so soft. I don't know what else to say. I love this stuff. And the fact that I can support a fellow YouTuber, another Black woman, it's amazing. I absolutely love that I can do that and actually honestly say, I love her products. You should be using them. And when she contacted me, the deep conditioner was the only product that she had. But now she has a leave-in conditioner, and I've yet to try that because I just spent way too much money on products. I'm trying to get through a lot of the products that I already have, but I'm going to eventually make my way to the leave-in conditioner because I have a feeling it's going to be just as good as this one. So if you guys are in the market for shopping Black-owned businesses, supporting Black women, I highly recommend trying out Miche Beauty's deep conditioner. It retails for $15.99. That was a little bit more expensive than Mielle with the same amount, but you know, let's try to support if we can, especially if the quality is there. And I will completely stand beside this product and say that the quality is definitely there. Now the last product I'm going to mention is like a throwback favorite, something that I use for a very long time. And whenever people ask me, you know, what's a good deep conditioner, I need some recommendations, and I know that, you know, they're at Target or CVS or wherever, I know that I can recommend this product with no problem and with complete confidence that they'll more than likely like it. It's going to be the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Now when I first bought this product, probably in 2014, 15, it was a little bit different. Now a lot of people, you know, there's been a whole big controversy about Shea Moisture, how they've changed their products, and you know, it's not the same, it's a lot lighter, it used to be thicker, I don't know what's happening, it's watery, it's this, it's that. Like, I completely understand, because I noticed that when I purchased this product, it was whipped. Like, it kind of looks like, you know, just like a souffle type of product, whereas before it was more of a cream, like an actual cream, and it was a bit heavier. The whipped version that they have now is not that much lighter, but there is a difference. In my opinion, the effect is pretty much the same. I do prefer the cream just because I like the weight of things for my hair, but the whipped is fine, you know, and it still gives me the results that I'm looking for, and it smells amazing. It has a lot of good quality ingredients inside. It makes my hair feel moisturized just like the rest of these products. And like I said, if anybody needs any recommendations, you know, I have family members, friends all the time coming to me asking me what's a good deep conditioner. I know that if they're in the market for Shea Moisture or easily accessible natural hair products in the stores that they're in, I can recommend this with no problem. It retails for the cheapest out of all of these, surprisingly, for $10.49. And it's so funny because I remember when I first bought this, I was like, $10? But now it's like But now it's like, okay, it's not even that bad, because look at all these other, you know, $12, $13, $14, $15 products. And, you know, I get it. Raw natural products cost a lot, and I don't know, it might just be the trendiness of everyone paying for natural hair products, because I've seen products raise their prices on us and I don't appreciate that. But I understand everything's a business, you know, so what can you do? This is gonna be an all-time favorite of mine. I like this whole honey and oil. It really works well for my hair. Any product, those 2 ingredients in it seems to really love my hair. So every time I see it, I'll probably give it a chance. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I hope that, you know, when you're in the stores now, you don't have to really truly just be guessing at what you're getting. You know, Ed did that, so hopefully you don't have to go through that. And yeah, let me know in the comments what your favorite deep conditioner products are. If you have any recommendations, if you're interested in trying any of these, let me know which one you're excited about. I will put links to all the products in the description box below. But in the meantime, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.